Hi everyone. Are you still spending hours writing job descriptions? Let's fix that in 60 seconds. Most teams write JDs from scratch every time, which leads to inconsistent formats, missed details, and wasted time. Here's a simple prompt that generates a complete and professional JD every time instantly. Just paste this into ChatGPT. Fill in your details like role, title, team, responsibility, qualification, salary, and company info. That's it. It'll generate a professional JD every time, keeping the formatting consistent. Or you can simply go to HR Brain by Interview, click on a Create JD for a new role button, fill in the inputs that it asks, and here you get a fully structured JD every time.